Hi guys, actually have a small project where my hydrant handle is stuck. I have two hydrant handles for the backyard. I able to change it. It's pretty old. It's all broken right now here, and this is for the front. But the problem is for the front, it's pretty hard, the handle to remove, and it's stuck. I'm gonna show it to you. Come on in guys. I got a screw here which is very tight. The outer handle is basically all broken from here now, right? Now it's kind of stuck. So what I did, you guys can use 10W40. I sprayed this area, but still it did not work. Now what I'm gonna use is a different technique. Let me show you a couple of tools for that. A big wrench I have. It's a 18-inch pipe, wrench. And then I'm also using, a small tool, which most of us we have, right in our garages. So the technique is that using both, I'm gonna try to open that up. It's pretty tight right now, so we'll give a shot. Let's see if it works. I don't want to break, the water hose, but we'll be gentle, and we will know how much force, we are basically, applying on this, handle. So first of all, I'm gonna use my pipe wrench, 18-inch. I'm gonna tighten this guy up here so it can lock here, right here. I'm gonna hold this from here, one hand, small wrench. I will try to put some power. It's still tight. Let me get a better grip here, right here. I think I'm able to move that. It's moving, great. But let me make sure I don't break this. I'll try again, but I'm gonna be gentle. It's holding pretty good. All right, it moved. So I able to unscrew that, right? Quickly. Here, as you can see, guys, it's all rusted. Pretty bad shape right now, right? So I'm just gonna get rid of that gently. I'm gonna unfasten this guy, remove the big lever, remove the old head right here. You can see right here, right? And then I will spray, I have a 10W40 a little bit here. It's time to put this thing back here. Looks pretty good. I'm not gonna tighten this up really hard, but I will stop where apply a little force so it does not get stuck, right? For the next time if I have to replace something. Yep, this is pretty good. Sometimes I've seen people, they really put a lot of force and they tighten this up, screw pretty hard. So then, with the passage of time, next time when you have to replace, it's going to be all rusted. It's going to be very hard to take it off. So I think I've been gentle, job well done. I hope you like this, video. I hope this helps you out if you have a similar situation. So take care, guys.